Welcome back to POV pare. Here's the part 2 of our Oppo Reno4 unboxing and cooking video. This episode, we're going to cook an immunity booster recipe using a palayok or clay pot.
Syempre, film it with my new Oppo Reno4. Kaya enjoy watching mga pare. Here's our ingredients. Minced garlic, sliced onion, our pangmayaman ingredient, green chili, and our last night leftover tinapang bangos or smoked milk fish. Also have nyog or coconut or grated coconut, and our handful malunggay or moringa. And our main ingredient, the labong or bamboo shoots.
Okay, let's start our procedure. First, let's squeeze our coconut so we can get the kakangata or coconut cream. Let's put a little effort. Sparta! Oh! Okay, we rendered almost 1 cup of coconut cream. And for our labong, let's add salt to water and let it boil. And when it's boiling, let's add our labong. You can boil it for 15 minutes, and if you want a softer texture, you can boil it for 15 to 20 minutes.
After boiling our labong, let's strain it. Struggle is real. I'm using my one hand for the pot and the other hand for the phone. Okay, now it's perfectly cooked. And after that, let's set aside. Let's start preparing our palayok. Turn on into medium heat and brush it with oil. Add more olive oil. Then let's start sauteing our onion. You can also add ginger if you want. After sauteing our onion, let's add our garlic. Let's saute it again until it's color brown. Then we add our last night leftover smoked milk fish. The aroma of our food is very loud. It can hypnotize your kapitbahay. And also you can use pork, chicken, or seafoods like shrimp. Anything you want for your labong. Okay, so here's our labong. While doing this, make sure your hands are clean, ha? Huwag pasaway. Before I cover it with the lid, I mix it already. After shimmering it for 5 to 8 minutes, here's the outlook of our labong. Did you know using a palayok for cooking is healthy? Because it can traps the moisture inside and retain the nutritional properties of the ingredients. Okay, let's season our labong with patis or fish sauce and black pepper. Then we mix it together and add our kakangata or coconut cream. Then our green chilies. And for our last ingredient, our moringa or malunggay. Let's cover it again for another 5 minutes. Then voila! Here's our final product. This is also vegetarian friendly. You can just remove the fish sauce and the fish. You can exchange it with beans or tofu. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. So alam na, let's eat pare. as you can see mga pare, napaganda talaga ng outcome ng Reno 4. In my experience, this is the best camera phone I ever had. Stig. Once again, thank you Oppo Philippines. Baka naman sa Reno 5. And mga pare, don't forget to like and subscribe.